banekinde bakayora mwabe koza
abana babashendekereziwe abazire babo agira ofisi ya RDC muri Kasese ubwahati aho bagire kwesharingira abo kugira ngo shonga zabo z'amatakazi maziro gwire zitakoraho ukurigirira ahari Bira Grace or chairperson Obantaba shimiriye kureba ngo yataho umuringo ubwo kureba ngo abana babaza omashomero kwena ngo kitarebeka hariho okuribatiriro bugabe bwabo.
These children have a right to education. These children have a representative, a minister, full-fledged minister that is concerned with the affairs of the children. So we call upon the minister in charge of these children to come down here and sit with us and see how best we can handle this issue.
Gunagira ngo abantu obwahati abari aha ofisi ya RDC tabakwasa kutwara abana babo aha mashomero abo kugira ngo abati bine maka hago bari kuturamo okumara emyaka 17.
Wish to call the person responsible for these young ones because they have their department. We have Honorable Baremwe together because of these young ones. The person in charge of education come, we sit together. As for us in the camp, we have no way out. We have no way out. Because these people come here are not teachers. So we cannot say they are going to teach. They are not teachers.
When you are seeing here, these children and their parents are here as a result of having not been able to occupy land, which they claim was theirs. And the government had sent an interministerial committee led by Dr. Mayanja as the team leader of handle this, but it has now been blown out of proportion that these people have waited for long.
Chairperson wa district ya Kasese Elfazi Muhindi nagira ngo bwahati hashemerire kubaho ekine gukora ari kugira ngo naija kweta akaciko akakuru aka district kabase kureba omushongezi zitakajire hare.
Children are supposed to be in school, but they are here, meaning that they will miss school and we don't know when this will be settled. But like I have said, government is going to have an answer, and the RDC is working around the clock to notify government on what should be done. For us as the district leaders, because we are local leaders, we have an emergency executive committee tomorrow.
Kwesharinga katandika urakana bite yahwire aho abantu abari kuruga omucyaro cya Nkoko heri kushangwa muri Busongora North bari kurenga enkomina babasize kwija aha mwanya ogu kwena ngo babase kugarukirwa itakari yabo.